Hi guys, welcome to Graduate Digital. My name is Amit, and today we will be going to discuss further on our first module, that is blogging or basic introduction we have already completed. So guys, let's move further on blogging. Like in past last my video, I discussed about the best blogging platform, which is either a WordPress or a blogger. So and now we are also understood what are the requirement if you want to create a blog in Blogger or in a WordPress. So with the requirement table, you understood what is the requirement for Blogger, what is the requirement for WordPress. Also given you tips and topics, tips about being a startup, a startup on a blogging platform, which platform you should choose, or as per your future vision and niche, you can decide the platforms and your requirement too. So today we will be covering on these topics like creating a Google Blogger account. Then we will create a blog. Then we will select a default theme for starting as of now. Then we move ahead with writing content and posting on blogs. How to write content and post in blog. It's a basic thing we will be discussing covering here, because we are not moving further with the advanced topic. Or in next tutorial I'll be covering more on this theme customization, understanding page and post. Then we will understood how to change domain name and what are the things need to be keep in mind while selecting the best domain name for it. So with the advanced blogging also. So let's go back to our today topic of discussion. I think my basic introduction on blogging I already given you in my first and second video. It's enough for you to understand about blogging. So let's start with more on practical. From today onwards you will be getting more on a practical kind of video, so that you can practice your own and explore this blogging platform. Let's go to browser. Yeah. So guys, you can also opt for our courses if you are interested for a premium course, which will be covering more on advanced tools and techniques on advanced digital marketing, search engine, social media, or marketing automation and lead generation. This is the hottest thing which is going on in market. So let's start Google Blogger. So for minimum requirement of creating Google Blogger is the I would like to tell you that the minimum requirement for creating a Google Blog, you should have a Gmail account. If you have a Gmail account, simply type blogger.com. Now it will redirect to you to Blogger website. Now if you don't have Blogger account, go to mail.google.com or gmail.com. Here you need to create a Gmail account. However, I already having account, so I'm going ahead with this. Click on sign in option. Now you need to enter your password here. I'm using my official Gmail account, which I created for Graduate Digital. So I'm also new to this platform as if now with this email ID. So it is asking me to either I should use Google Plus or Blogger profile. However, Blogger is a limited. If you are using Blogger profile, then at the time of content sharing, it may not reach to your Google Plus post. So I suggest to use Google Plus profile, because whenever you post something, it will automatically post on Google Plus. So you don't need to worry about this posting on Google Plus. So just fill your details and click on create profile. If you wish to add any photos on your Google profile so that it's visible to everybody, so you guys can do with this. You can select any of the logo. This is fine. I think it's a company, so it looks good while we share something on. So you can see how it's looking. It's fine. Now save. Okay. View my continue Blogger. Now you are on the page of Google Blogger. It's the official platform where you can create Google blog without any restriction. So now let's start with creating a new blog. You can create your new blog from here and also from here. Click on this new blog option. Title, as if now let's take digital marketing or any other title or your topic which on which you want to create a blog, like I would love to create on digital marketing tips. Now this is the address section where you need to enter your domain name, which would be a subdomain because it's not a free platform. It's somehow it's a free, but its authorship is with Google. So you will get address like you see here, digital marketing DM tips. So it will automatically allowing you to select this, asking you to select this blogspot.com. This is called subdomain. I'll explain more about this domain, main domain, root domain, or subdomain. I'll explain more on this on my domain name selection topic. That is our second module. So in first module, you can see here, sorry, this blog address is not available. It means somebody already took this. So digital marketing tips is not available. Let's see digital marketing with Amit. Yeah, it's available. So I'll be taking this, and here is the simple some themes which you can use to as if now for default purpose. I'll select this and create blog. Now Google will automatically create your blog with that selected default uh, theme. Now if I find a domain name, yeah, if you wish to find, you can search here, or no thanks. Now your blog has been created. If you wish to see, then click on view blog. Now you can see your blog is looking like this. There's nothing as if now in this. That's why it's looking completely blank. Let's create some posts and pages, like new post. And you can see here we have enabled automatic spam detection for comment. If somebody, because so many people are commenting using automation system, so it's not good to increase your spam score. So for that, the reason Google is showing you, be aware of these spam kind of things. Let's create a new post. Today in this video we will be covering, we understood creating a Google Blogger account, created blog, now selected default theme for starting, and now we will be writing content and posting. So let's post title. Uh, let's generate some dummy text generator. Okay. Create with 500 words, 3 paragraphs. Okay, done. Okay. It's not showing any option. Advanced option. Let's refresh this. $500, 3 paragraph. Yeah. Copy to clipboard. Let's now give the title like Introduction to Blogging. Okay. This is the title. Introduction to. This is not. Okay. Module 1, Introduction to Blogging. Now I'm very lazy, guys, so that's why I created dummy text. I'm pasting it here. So now if you wish to see like module 1, Introduction to Blogging, module 1, part 1, Introduction to Blogging. Okay, if I wish to create it this text as a large, small. I can choose from here. I can create it as a bold. I can select the font. Everything I can do here. Now if I wish to create more like this, I can do that by simply module 1 part 2 selection of blogging platform. Now this is our third tutorial on part 3, creating blog in Blogger. So now if I wish to make it just a bold only, I can do that. If I wish to make it a bold italic with different text color, I can select here. I can also select for this thing with different uh, background text, like you'll see. So this is undo. Here you can choose a different you know format, like courier. It's changed now. If you was to create it as a link, this part, just web URL, type here your link which you want, graduatedigital.com. uh, if you want this website should open in new window, you can create this. Add relation no follow attribute, it is not now valid as if now in Google, so it's not useful to use. If you wish to use email, you can use here like amit at the rate uh, graduatedigital.com. So it will ask you to open an email. So save this, it will automatically create it as a link. Okay, and now if you wish to add image, click here, upload from blog or upload from a URL. You can do, yeah, either you can upload from PC. So let's start this. Graduate Digital logo, added this. Okay, so I hope you understood this. And also if you want to create some list kind of thing, there's like 1 2 3 4 5 numbers. So you guys can make it heading as a bold. Select this. You can use numbering system or dot system. It's your wish what you wanted to do. Also you can understood this, it will automatically change this. It will keep the things in double quote. Better if you, I don't suggest to use it in a paragraph. Use only for words. Add more like this. You can remove the text formatting. You can check spellings. You can use Hindi writing also here. So these are the indent, left indent, right indent you can use. And also if you wish to change something in designing, if you are very good in HTML, you can click here HTML. It will give you complete HTML coding of this layout. You can modify anything and everything from here. Suppose if you wish to change background color, you can change this code. Size you can change from large to any medium or any. Text alignment, let's make it left to center. See this. Okay, it's left only. I changed, but spelling I think mistake. CENTRE. There are two tags, which is quite complex nowadays because HTML is supporting sometimes US or UK language, so that's for the reason. So I will discuss it further. I hope you understood this interface, simple interface, title, and how your editing options are going to work with the blogging. You can also insert video. You can insert some images, emoji, smiley. Let's insert it here. Categories, symbols, number, American script. Okay, emoji. Okay, fine. I think I need to use this. I'm also after a long time. Okay, it's inserted. I'm also using Blogger after a long time. I'll be using WordPress nowadays. So now, if you want to create, give some label to the particular form, like this is entirely on blogging, blogging done. So what's the use of label? It in Google Blogger you can make your label as a category, which is the best thing here. So you can schedule time, date, permalink if you want to give set up this thing, or you want to use some your custom like click here and you will see the difference. This is introduction to blogging. You can change the URL of this particular post. You can add your location here, or also you can allow you readers to comment or you don't allow. It's your wish. So I hope you understood this interface. Let's publish this. I told you if you are using Google Plus account, it will automatically share your content with Google Plus, but as if now it's a dummy text, I don't want to share. You can just need to click on share. It will automatically share your blog post to Google with the image which is inserted inside the post. Okay, guys. So now let's refresh this page. Let's see how it's look like. You can see this is looks nice. Now, if we click on this link, it will give you the complete text whatever written. Enter your comment, you can share with anywhere. So this is the basic Google Blogger interface. So in my next tutorial I'll be discussing more further and advanced on how to customize this entire blog in a better look, or with better customization options, how to create links and labels, everything I'll be going to discuss. So let's understand today interface. Here it will display you all the posts you have created, and in publish how many posts you published onto your blog, which is live visible by the people. And in this section you can see here it will give you or show you how many comments you have in that particular post and how many people visited. States will display about your blog, how many page views you have last per month, all time history, everything. You'll also display your number of posts and number of page views, traffic are coming from which source, audience, about your audience, which browser they are using, operating system, which country they belong to, and what are the comments you have, spam if any, earning. This is the option to integrate your blog with Google AdSense. Here you can also run advert campaign here, and this will allow you to create a post apart from post pages. I'll give you a more detailed explanation of what is post and what is page in next tutorial. This is your simple layout or how your website is currently looking like. So this is the thing. Okay, so currently you're using this theme. From here you can edit entire theme code by clicking on edit HTML. It will redirect you to the page where entire code of Blogger is available. You can change from here and save the theme. It's done. And last setting option where you can change your title, description, blogspot. From here you can add a third party URL or a root domain, or you call a main domain, post, comment, sharing. These are the basic things. I'll be going to discuss everything in my some upcoming video tutorial. I hope this basic introduction video tutorial will help you to understand in more better way. So let's end up this video tutorial today here only. We will be discussing advanced blogging also in my further tutorial. I hope today tutorial you like this video. Please comment if you have any query, or subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos in future. Okay guys, see you on my next tutorial. Thank you. Goodbye.